Hello guys, listen, today we're going to do a video, me and my daughter. This is Carmen. She is going to give me a makeover. I'm going to let her do my makeup, and also she's going to do my hair. My hair is not done, but I want to see if she can create a bun style. She see me do bun styles all the time, so I'm going to let her do a full makeover on me. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Anything you need to say? Alright, so she's ready, probably nervous, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started. Alright guys, so here is my look. So I'm going to let her put my hair in a bun and we will be done. That is our video. As you can see, Carmen gave me a makeover and she said this is considered a messy bun. So I can go work out, I can just go out to the store with just a messy bun, no really sleek edges or anything like that. Just something simple and quick. So I challenge you guys to allow your daughters to give you a full makeover versus hair and face and see what you come up with. I think she did pretty good, being that she don't really do her own hair and she don't wear makeup at all. So again, they watch every single thing that we do as parents, so we have to make sure that we are role models at all times. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know how you enjoyed the video. Did you enjoy it? Bye guys.